Want to translate your videos into different languages instantly without hiring expensive translators? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wondershare Filmora's AI video translation tool to reach a global audience in just a few clicks. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been wanting to share your content with viewers who speak different languages, you know how tedious translating, dubbing, and subtitling can be. Today, we're looking at Wondershare Filmora, an all-in-one video editor available for desktop and mobile, and specifically how its smart AI tools can do the heavy lifting for you. To get started, you'll want to open up Filmora and import your video onto the timeline. Under their AI Tools menu, you'll find the AI Video Translation feature. When you select this, Filmora's AI analyzes the spoken audio in your video and can translate it into your target language. To make your localized video even better, you can also pair this with Filmora's Auto Caption feature to instantly generate accurate subtitles, or use AI text-to-speech if you need to generate clean voiceovers. It keeps everything right inside one timeline, so you don't have to jump between 5 different websites just to translate a single clip. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, having video translation integrated directly into a professional-grade editor is incredibly convenient. You get access to a massive library of over 2.9 million creative assets, filters, and transitions to polish your project at the same time. However, to be completely transparent, we don't have a large pool of independent user reviews configured for this specific translation tool in our data today. While the official features look incredibly promising on paper, keep in mind that AI translations in general can sometimes miss local slang or cultural nuances, so you'll always want to do a quick manual double check of the translated text before you hit export. Overall, if you want an easy, intuitive way to localize your content and edit like a pro without a steep learning curve, Wondershare Filmora is definitely worth checking out. Head over to wondershare.com to download it and try the AI translation features for yourself. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tips, and let me know in the comments which language you're translating your videos into first. See you in the next video.